EMF was established back in 2003. That is around 18 years of experience in the business, as you know. So they are the world's leading brand of cultural apparel, which provides a diverse selection of costumes, accessories, garments, and swimwear. So let me tell you more important facts about this factory now. They have a registered capital of 13.1 million USD, and so far they have invested around 630 million yuan, and they have employed around 1,000 employees with managerial expertise and technical skills. So basically, EMF has cutting-edge technology in R&D and production. So today we are in this factory. This factory occupies around 60,000 square meters. As you can see, this is a massive factory. Today we're going to discover more about this company. We are in the sewing production department of EMF, as you can see. Now, before we talk about this line, let me tell you how the production happens basically in EMF. They start with the raw material, they inspect it, and then they, they sample it, they cut it, etc., etc., and now they finally come to this sewing production part before they are wrapped and ready to be shipped. So as you can see here, in this workshop, there are ladies working using sewing machines to produce the costumes, different costumes. This workshop is divided into two sections and for management purposes, and there are about 500 workers working here. So basically what they're doing is they are actually turning the samples into real products before they go on, wrapped and shipped to different customers. EMF has more than 60 physical and chemical testing items. So we are here in a physical testing area. On my right-hand side, we've got the pulling testing machine here. As you can see, being demonstrated, the sample is being tested. And there are different machines as well. Let me quickly introduce. So the next machine here, we've got a very interesting electronic pneumatic bursting strength tester. Also an important machine in the testing lab. In here, around 50 workers working, and they are actually using sewing machines now. As you can see, they are sewing the patterns and making them actual sample products. So here we go. For example, take this lady. She's working on this sample product. Now, as you can see, the idea turned into an actual sample here. All right, so they can see how it feels like.